I have great pleasure to have this interview with Paweł Prymakowski from IT Vision. Paweł, hello.
Hello, it's nice to talk to you, to see you at Directions in Poznaniu.
Yes, exactly. So we are at Directions. First question, how is your impression about this event in Poznań? Do you enjoy it?
It's non-typical Directions because I've visited Directions many times, but this time, for the first time, we see great shift to AI. So we are not discussing the new features, changes in business central. What is more interested is the agentic world, AI, and adoption of AI technologies. So we are facing the significant change. It was announced last year, but last year introduction was what are the agents, what do they do, and right now we are speaking about the practical implementation and the way we will use agents in our business and our customers' businesses.
Correct. It's a huge change and huge shift. I would like to ask you about keynote. First of all, great speech. I really enjoyed it. I was proud that you can be part of the keynote that Kamil Karbowiak, the CEO of Data Carriage, was giving. Could you please develop on the topics that you were mentioning during this short keynote speech?
Okay, the main point was that we are using data carriage solutions, the Chief Accountant AI Assistant and item and financial intelligence to shorten the way of implementation of the AI at the client's projects. Because basically it's easier to get ready solutions, they're well-tested, proven solutions. And in my opinion, the solutions from data carriage are at least one step before the competition. So we are taking the most advanced, most modern solutions and delivering them to our clients. And also we are trying to highlight the profits, what the customers can earn of using AI add-ons, AI models to ERP system.
Thank you for this information, for this answer. Paweł, what convinced you to implement the solutions that Data Carriage is providing? So this AI applications for BC.
I always said that I was waiting for the moment that the software will speak to me in my own language, and I can talk to software not in C#, Python, and other languages, that I can use my own language. So this is the way that I can ask my system about what I want, and I just get it. And also, normally, when you need some data, there are some structured data that you can generate report, the P&L report. It's in there, and it's easy to get it from the system. But the business doesn't work that way. You usually need some information that are accessible, but it's somewhere in the system. You need to take it down from different sources to recalculate them into Excel, to write a formula. It takes a long time and a lot of effort. And if you would like to have your programmer to create such report, you hear that, okay, it's 3 days, 3 Mondays, you will have this next month because we are busy. And right now I'm asking my ERP, okay, show me the prediction of the results, show me what can I do to improve in certain area, and this is what I'm expecting my system will deliver. And finally, after all these years, I'm getting it from my system.
Paweł, and perhaps last question. I can see from my perspective that the cooperation between data coverage and IT vision goes in a very good direction, and we have tighter and tighter cooperation and more projects to work on. Can you tell me a bit more how it looks like from your perspective? Are you thinking about implementing AI solutions from data coverage only for Polish clients, or on perhaps also for it's like abroad, more international business?
Currently, the business has no borders. For us, that's not a problem to implement it anywhere. What is the main factor that drives the collaboration between us is that we have long experience in business application ERP systems for over 20 years, and we focus on processes operations. We invested heavily in AI, but we mostly are interested in improving the performance, the processes, the operational part of the company and of the IT systems. On the other hand, data coverage has very strong skills and experience in data analysis, so the informational side of the story. So that's why these two words matches together, because we can see great synergy, and we also combine our solutions. So we focus on AI-driven process optimization, and we are getting from data coverage the data to fuel these solutions, and also the analytical part of the entire story. So that's why I think it's mutual, profitable operations and collaboration.
Paweł, perhaps really last question. If you were to choose just two AI applications from data coverage, so which applications are your favorite ones?
The most difficult at the end. From my perspective, the most obvious is the financial intelligence. This is the number one choice, definitely for any customers, but this is obvious one. From my perspective, also is very interesting is the item intelligence, because then we can monitor and manage our product portfolio. So I think this is very, very interesting topic from any product-oriented company. And from my own, let's say, world is this chief accountant AI assistant, because we are dealing very often with accountancy, with a production company where the good accounting plays a critical role because of margin calculation, profit of the business. So that's why the accountant assistant streamlines very well the operations, and it brings great value to the customers.
Paweł, thank you very much for our conversation. It was a pleasure. Thank you.